including your great here. The party is your home. You will not be humiliated. You will not be persecuted. We are your brothers and sisters in the high tides and the low depths. We ride together and we rise together. And we protect those who put us through fire. That is why 10 years on, despite all odds, we remain the party to beat. We have defied the purpose of doom because we are more than an assemblage of politicians. We are a family. And as Mr. President said in his recent Democracy Day address, it is not our duty to fix the house of opposition. What we are here to do is to offer a better house, one that starts home for the displaced, the betrayed, the dreamers, and the doers like us who don't want them. That freedom to choose, to walk away from darkness into light, is the very soul of democracy. On behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I want to personally thank you. And of course, Governor Shettima of Gorigoro, we are judicial to be to attend to the democratic